और ग्लैमरस तो है ही यार, मतलब वो तो कह ही देंगे यहाँ पे। द डायरेक्टर, द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत की है। ईशान त्रिवेदी जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं सर। मैं सच बताऊं, अभी आपसे मुलाकात हुई, ट्रेलर पहले भी देखा था, मेरे साथ वालों ने भी देखा था, मुझे लग नहीं रहा था एकदम ऐसा शालीन इंसान ने ये बना दिया सर। खुद कितना इसमें मेहनत की।
नैनीताल मेरा भी होम टाउन है।
ओए तू तो सर बात ही खत्म हो गई।
तल्लीताल या मल्लीताल?
मल्लीताल सर।
अच्छा।
अब मुझे बताइएगा आप ये कौन कौन से एरियाज में कुछ ऐसा होता है सर, मैं ढूंढ ढूंढ के थक गया।
ये नकुचिया ताल, भीमताल, नैनीताल, चाइना पीक, तल्लीताल, मल्लीताल, सब जगह, ठंडी सड़क, मॉल रोड।
राइट, ऑल द कपल्स यू नो दे गो टू दीज प्लेसेस। जैसे हमारे यहाँ रेक्लेमेशन है और बैंड स्टैंड हम लोग जाते हैं, सॉरी हम नहीं, यू नो एवरीबडी डज इट लेकिन नोबडी वांट्स टू कबूलोफाई इट। ऐसे यहाँ पे जो बोल्ड सब्जेक्ट है इसके बारे में सब कोई बात करने में थोड़ा हिचकिचाएंगे बट मजा सबको आ रहा है। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से? इतना बोल्ड सब्जेक्ट सर।
This is a story about desires.
Wow. When you say desires.
And what
he
they
said,
do to you
desires.
in your life, you know. So bold, not bold. The story is not about boldness. The story is about desires.
तो अपना पर्सनल लाइफ से कितना इसमें मसाला डाला है?
मैंने?
हाँ।
इसमें तो भूत हैं, इसमें तो बहुत सारी
सर भूत ऊत छोड़ो, आप दूसरी बात करो। भूत ऊत भी करते रहेंगे। हाँ।
पर्सनल लाइफ से is basically based on a story which was narrated to me by a friend of a friend.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So that got me excited and I started thinking about it.
Right. Right. When you talk about भूत, you know, इस genre को जिस हिसाब से एक इंसान है जिन्होंने जितना you know उसके अंदर गहराई से देखा है किसी और ने नहीं देखा, and we have that gentleman with us over here. So give it up for Mr. Vikram Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen, the uncrowned king, I would say, as a haunted horror films जो ये genre है. Sir, हाँ? Crowned सर, मैं यहाँ पे अभी क्या बोलूँ? आपने ट्रेलर देखा सर? नहीं देखा अभी तक. So we'll do one thing, we'll play the trailer once again. लेकिन when someone, you know, जैसे ईशान है, ये ट्राई करते हैं कुछ ऐसा bold subject, थोड़ा एक scandalous subject, तो लगता है यार.
तो जरूर I'm waiting to see what it's all about.
Right. Talking about your connection with the भूतियापंथी, ये कैसे सर? ये कहाँ से, मतलब वो एकदम इंट्रिग किया, क्या हुआ?
सेफ है ना भूत लोग?
कैसे?
कि उनका एक कैरेक्टर है कि ये डराएंगे। एक्चुअली डर तो इंसानों से लगता है क्योंकि वो कैसे भी हो सकते हैं। भूत सेफ होते हैं।
सेफ है, सिर्फ विक्रम जी बोल सकते थे ये बात यार, भूत सेफ होते हैं। कितनों को भूत सेफ लगते हैं यहाँ? जो भी मन में कह रहे हैं ना, अभी रात को आएगा देखना, आज भूत ही आएगा, ये और कुछ नहीं
कह रहे हैं उनके पास आएगा।
हाँ, उनके पास जरूर आएगा। ईशान, विक्रम जी इज हियर, एकता इज अबाउट टू जॉइन अस, यू नो सब लोग इतना सारा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
I'm happy.
And for you, Reet?
Super happy. Thank you so much.
बवेजा साहब, मतलब पहला ट्रेलर और आग लगा रखी है।
देखिए वो जो desires बोला था तो वो सब दिख रही है, so we all are happy I guess.
Right. So what we'll do is we'll be seated अभी and then let's take a look at that song जिसकी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे. We'll play that song and फिर इस समय को जो समा है इसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे. What do you say? Very good. Next में अभी से प्लान सुन लिए. ईशान, वापस से आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा प्लीज यहाँ पे आए. डायरेक्टर ऑफ द मूवी ईशान त्रिवेदी, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. मुझे बोले incest is something that a lot of people do not talk about openly, तो कभी नहीं, you know, इसमें incest का भी कुछ हिस्सा है कुछ?
Let's leave it for the film.
अच्छा, है ना?
Yeah.
हाँ, okay. So that is something a lot of people do not, you know, come out and talk about. और वो यहाँ पे हमने देखा कुछ ऐसे बिखरा है. So yeah,
I should say about it, I mean, incest is there in our society, just that we just keep it as a secret. I think every girl somewhere or the other go through things that we don't talk about. We hide it from our parents because we are kids. Practically it is there. So yeah, in our film we have shown it in a different light as a story, but yeah, I do approve of the fact that incest exists.
Baveja साहब, आपके views on the same?
I guess we talk about many issues, you know, we make a lot of films on many social issues.
Yeah.
This is also a thing which is very concerning, and it's we're not glorifying the act in the film, you know, we are talking about it. It's an issue which should come out,
Right.
people should know, and definitely it should be stopped at a very early level because
Right.
we all know what it is all
Right.
about.
Vikram sir is also here. Sir, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप अगर यहाँ पर आए. जी बिल्कुल, मैं आपसे रिएक्शन जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि अभी you saw the trailer and you being an expert in the genre.
Oh, really?
Yes, you are. We all love your movies. जी, क्या अभी your first reaction on after watching the thing?
My first reaction is that it definitely has an intriguing story, because I don't know the story of the film, so I want to know more. I want to know what's going on. I can see that there's a girl who is dead, and there's some spook element. Then there is some triangle going on, and I can see that Reet is not letting people sleep, or people are not letting Reet sleep. So there's an insomnia angle also. So there is a lot of things going on, but it definitely creates an intrigue factor. It's also shot nicely. It's, there is the location is adding to the character of the film, which is always a good thing, because people come to see, in my opinion, they come to see something in entirety. You just don't want to see a plot. You want to see plot and a good story and well shot. So I think it looks like a complete package.
सर ईशान सर पूरा फुल मार्क्स एकदम मिल गए यहाँ तो
Thank you so much.
इट्स लाइक
आप मेरी पहली फिल्म के डायरेक्टर भी थे.
अरे वाह
He was the
Dialogue.
writer on Gulam.
वो सर वी ऑल लव्ड इट और वो माचिस वाले के चक्कर में कितनों की जुबानें चल गई क्या बात एनीवे यहाँ पे इट्स ओवर टू द मीडिया थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग सो पेशेंट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन वन मोर टाइम एंड नाउ इट्स ओवर टू यू जो भी शक शुबा सवाल हैं यू कैन शूट नाउ
Actually, these surnames and related to the industry, they don't actually make the journey easy.
I'm sorry,
Sure.
I have to leave for a post-production thing that's going on right now. So I just came to wish you all, and I want to wish
please.
all of you all a fantastic release and great box office success. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर ग्रेसिंग द ओकेजन थैंक यू जी जॉनी आप सवाल का जवाब दे रहे थे सो या जॉनी यू वर सेइंग समथिंग
Okay. We'll.
वाओ एकता इज हियर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन जोरदार तालियां फॉर मिस एकता कपूर वेलकम एकता एंड स्ट्रेट अवे आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू grace the stage yeah we just saw the trailer. Vikram ji saw the trailer, Ekta, and he loved it. And everybody is like, "Abhi Ekta ka kya reaction hoga?" So we'll surely know your reaction. And we also showed them a song, an exclusive song for them, and they all loved it. Abhi we'll talk to you about that. Well, we have another surprise for you guys. जो still वाले भाई लोग हैं हमारे, एकता का जन्मदिन हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं. हाँ थोड़ा सा belated हो गया, but we gonna cut the cake. So that's another plus thing for this event. So can we have the cake please for Ekta? And everybody has to sing for Ekta, man. Come on. And we'll start. She's a superb singer, Ekta. Let me just tell you. So yeah, she is. Reet, Johnny, Ishan sir. Sing Long Night.
He can rap.
Do that.
And
Okay,
Johnny
guys,
can
हो
rap.
जाए.
Let's do this together.
Yeah. पहली बार ऐसा बर्थडे पे कुछ अलग टाइप्स.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, just for you. This is a rap from the film. I'm gonna rap. You're gonna cut the cake. She's gonna sing further.
Yeah, right.
Wow.
I'll keep it to this film. I'd like to say that I think we should express the social fabric of our country, and there is good, there's bad. I think sometimes we can confuse in this country sex with sexual crime. You know, anything consensual after the age of 18 should not be anybody else's problem. And so I think the problem of, in order to be emancipated, you have to accept different lives and different lifestyles. And I wish Reeth and Johnny and Ishan sir the best for their endeavor. I'm sure they've made a fantastic film.
Supernatural show. So, would you like to do a supernatural erotic films in the future also?
Is there anything I've done it? May have not worked. You may have not liked it and must have gone unnoticed, but I've done it.
Ekta, Balaji is the main producer for the film, but what is the contribution of Phantom Films? What is the involvement in that of Phantom?
I and Anurag have discussed that we should have only one spokesperson instead of having various people talk, and that's why I've decided to have a no comments stand to everything. But that's all I'll say, because there's a smart and carefully decided, what should I say, soft and subtle approach to everything. So I don't want to make comments and then say something unnecessary.
But Ekta, is it true that Balaji is mainly producing the film, but your certain fees has been paid to Phantom? And how true is it?
La 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 la.
But yesterday,
I'm going. I have to go for a producer's meet. As you all
Ekta, just
know.
one last thing that I'd
Yes.
like to ask you.
एक-
You know, newcomers debut कर रहे हैं एक bold picture के साथ, बहुत ज़्यादा scandalous है. So what do you have to say? कुछ tips देना चाहोगे? Because
मैं
typecast हो जाता है.
actually I believe that, you know, I actually decided to come to the press conference when Reeth called me, because I actually believe that, you know, by next year I hope to launch some newcomers. I think our industry needs fresher, newer actors, and it doesn't matter what genre they get launched in. I hope both Johnny and Reeth, I've known for many years, I haven't had a chance to work with them, do very well in life. And even though I'm going through a lot in the last couple of days, I couldn't cancel on them, because I feel at a certain age, however young or old, I want to specify, you have to start encouraging fresh talent or supporting. I haven't yet been able to encourage that much. I hope to support them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ekta,
Show the trailer,
yesterday,
please.
She'd like to say, yeah?
Yeah.
I would like.
Why not? Why not? Thank you so much,
Sound-
ladies and gentlemen.
Ekta, question for you, please. Can we? Yesterday you saw the film. Is it true that it has been inspired from real life politicians in Punjab?
That guy, or like, there's more to it, yeah. I got that, yeah. So I'm hoping you guys do a brilliant job, and I hope the film does very well. Thank you so much. I'll have to run.
Well, Ekta liked it यार, so अभी तो
Guys, like really, आगे मुझे क्यों इसमें नहीं पढ़ना मैं? I'm sure इन्होंने अपना सेंसर करवा लिया है.
cool है. Thank you so much, Ekta. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A scandal की star cast के लिए. Thank you so much for your patience. Loved you guys.